Hey everyone, check out these 50-foot solar string lights with 15+1 S14 LED bulbs perfect for outdoor use. They feature a remote control with 8 lighting modes, dimmable brightness levels, and a timer for 4, 6, or 8 hours. Installation is flexible with a 15-foot leading wire for the solar panel and no extra wiring needed. These solar-powered lights also include a USB port for charging when sunlight is limited, plus a battery indicator on the back. They are IP65 waterproof, so they withstand rain and water jets, ideal for patios, yards, balconies, or camping. The solar panel switch activates the remote control, and you can also change modes manually. These lights are great for decorating pergolas, gazebos, fences, and rails with energy-saving outdoor illumination. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.